Hello, and welcome to the Carver Complete Streets Wikimap. During the Carver Complete Streets project, you will have the opportunity to participate in this online exercise. This video will show you how to use the Wikimap. To access the Wikimap, go to our website, serpent.org/carver-complete-streets. You will want to scroll down to the sub-navigation menu and click the Participate and Stay Involved link. This will bring you to the section where the mapping exercise lives. To open the exercise, click on the image and a new tab will open. This is the mapping exercise. If you need to zoom in or out, you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse or the plus or minus buttons in the top left corner. To move the map around, click on the map and drag. You will see that there are points already placed on the map. These points are comments from the kickoff meeting with the town earlier this year. You can hover over these points to see the comments associated with it. For this exercise, you can create your own point with comment on an existing point, or do both. First, we will show you how to create your own point and comment. You will start by clicking the words, "Click here to add a point" in the top left corner. A pop-up menu will open with 5 categories to choose from. Click on the category that best represents your comment. After selecting your point type, your cursor will turn into a crosshair. When you find the location you want to put your comment, click on that location, and your point will be placed. A pop-up box will open showing your category type and a comment box. Type your comment into the comment box. When you're finished, hit Submit. If you click on a location by accident and place a point, simply hit Cancel and the point will be removed. Second, you can agree or disagree, or leave a comment on an existing point. To do this, click on the point you wish to add to, and you can click an autofill option of "I agree" or "I disagree," or you can type your comment in the box. Once you are finished, hit Add Comment and your comment will show below the original comment. These comments are visible to all visitors, so we ask that your comments are thoughtful and respectful. Please feel free to create and comment on as many points as you would like. The exercise is complete when you feel that you have placed all the points you wish to and have commented on all the comments you wish to. You can come back at any point during the Carver Complete Streets project and add more points or comment on existing points. To exit the exercise, simply close the tab. Thank you for participating in the Carver Complete Streets project.